Assalam O Alikum, what is up, and welcome in this another video. I hope you're fine, good, cool, and having chill. So guys, in this video I'm gonna tell you all about turban. Okay, you guys have so many questions, and you guys have been asking so many questions because you have questions. That's why you're asking the questions. So leave those questions. Now let's come to the topic. Let's come to the point. So the video is all about answering your questions. Okay. So guys, you guys have been asking to me that what is the length and what is the fabric that I use in my turban. So first let me tell you that the length of normal turban is normal Amamah Sharif is 4.5. That is normal. Okay, like I tied black Amamah Sharif and wherever I used my black Amamah Sharif, the length of my black Amamah Sharif and my black turban is 4.5. Okay, and the fabric I use, you guys can use different fabrics for normal Amamah Sharif. You guys can use lawn also, but lawn is quite expensive, so you guys can use malmal also and normal cotton also. So you guys can use these fabric. Okay, and if I talk about Balochi Amamah Sharif that I tied, I have made 3 videos about that, and Aladdin Gurm style Amamah Sharif, Aladdin Gurm style turban, and another turban white, that is the white turban that I tie in my videos, the long one. Okay, the length of that turban is 18 meter. Okay, 18 meter the cloth is. Fabric you have to use malmal. Okay, the fabric should be malmal. And if I talk about the another Amamah Sharif, how did I Tariq Jamil Amamah Sharif and other means small turban, the length of those turban what was the length? I think the length is 2.5. Okay, and the fabric you guys can use is linen. Okay, linen is a fabric that is more comfortable than others. Lawn is quite expensive, so you guys can use linen for all turban also. You guys can use malmal also for Balochi Pagg and others. You guys can also use linen for Balochi Pagg and others, but malmal is quite suitable because you guys know the Balochi Pagg is too long. Okay, and when you tie that on your head, then it's quite heavy for you. So malmal is a fabric that is quite soft, and you guys can use that easily. And if you guys will use lawn and it will be quite heavy on your head. Okay, so this was the video all about answering you, and if you guys have any more questions about these, so you guys can ask me. So this video is just about that. Okay, and if you guys have any question, you guys can ask me on Instagram. So many people are there, they have been asking on Instagram, and I have been answering them. I have not ignored a single message from you guys. So you guys please ask me, feel free to talk with me on Instagram. I'm there for you guys, so you guys can ask me. Okay, so please visit my Instagram, and if you have any kind of question, you can ask me. Okay, so Allah Hafiz till my next video.